They're fixing on our car once again. New tire. Do y'all get a lot of customers?
Yeah.
We are about to have a lot more. We're not tires yet. This is salad time. That's not on this. If you want to go on Instagram, search up Dwayne Belvin, DWAYNE. Subscribe him. Follow him on Instagram, please. Because we're trying to get to 2 million, like at least 1,000 followers, or 2 million, 3,000 followers. Please search up Dwayne and follow me, DeAndre Belvin, DeAndrebelvin. Follow me on Instagram, and we will subscribe you. Alright, we out here, YouTube. We out.